Hi guys, so this is a CCTV installation process. So that's the power box, is where the power of the CCTV cables are connected, the power cables. So those green things are the connectors. Each of those green things, you will see two terminals, the neutral and the live. So here it is not written as N or L. The indication there is minus, which represents neutral, and plus, which is the positive. The red is the live, while the black or the blue color is the neutral. So you connect the red color of the power cable of the CCTV to the plus sign of that connector, while the neutral, which is the blue or the black, to the minus sign of that connector. So I haven't done that. If you look carefully, you see fuse. That's why I'm touching my hand. So now the essence of that fuse is, in case there is a short circuit in any of the points of the camera, it will cut, the fuse will break. So that's it, and it will help make sure the camera doesn't get damaged. And the good thing about this power box is, unlike the adapter, if there is any wrong connection or short circuit, what that power box will do is, the green light that comes out from it will be blinking. That blinking indicates a short circuit, or there's a wrong connection somewhere, or that the load that is supposed to power is beyond it. That means the load is more than what the power box can carry. It will be blinking green consistently. But if it is okay, the light will be steady. So now, if you've connected the power box, the power cables on the power box, you get your vision. Some people use strings, connectors, but me, I choose this wire-like connectors. So it's kind of easier and more better than the other ones. So now this vision connectors it comes with neutral and the live. So when you peel off your camera cable, the one that goes to the DVRO or your NVRO, so after you must have peeled it, you connect the live to where it's supposed to be connected to, and the neutral as well. So I was using my meter to test it, to test continuity. It is important to test continuity in doing stuff like this. So if you've done that, you test. I was testing it one after the other. There are 7 cameras here anyway. I was installing 7 cameras and 7 channels. So you test it to confirm if there is continuity. So I've already done it, and I realized there was no continuity. That means the work we did was correct. So I was fixing the vision cable, the connectors to the DVRO. Yeah, I use DVRO. So one may ask, what does DVRO mean? DVRO means digital video recorder. So this helps in recording your CCTV footage. Then it sends it to the TV where you will see it. So, and this DVRO is made up of 8 channels. That means is the maximum the maximum camera you can carry just 8 channels. That's the maximum. So, but in this time installation, I was asked to install 7 channels. So this is it. I was fixing it. So now, this is its outcome. If you look carefully, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 channels. So it's working effectively. So thank you.